Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best boxing robots that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Mattel Rock'em Sock'em Robots boxing game. This is the classic choice, and it's been delivering hard-hitting fun for over 40 years. If you're looking for a nostalgic toy with straightforward gameplay, this is the one for you. The simplicity of the design pits 2 players against each other, Red Rocker versus Blue Bomber, where the goal is to knock your opponent's block off. It's a tried and tested way to keep kids entertained for hours. The design is compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around or store away. However, it does feel somewhat dated and doesn't offer advanced features like lights, sound effects, or remote control. It's made of durable plastic, but may not be as resilient to heavy-handed play as some of the newer options on this list. The mechanical action is satisfying, but the lack of modern enhancements might be a drawback for tech-savvy kids. At $14.24, this is the budget option, and it's ideal for families who want a simple, no-frills boxing robot game. However, its limited feature set and a slightly lower customer rating of 3.5 stars make it less competitive compared to others in this lineup. It's perfect for younger kids or those who appreciate the nostalgia of old-school gaming. Pros include affordability and simplicity, while cons are its basic design and lack of modern features. At number 4, we have the CX Joegzi Remote Control Fighting Robots set of 2. This is a fantastic mid-tier option for families looking for engaging 2-player action. The set includes 2 battle bots that use responsive remote controls for smooth movement and exciting gameplay. What sets this apart are the flashing LED lights and 3 dynamic music options, which create an immersive experience. For those who prefer a quieter game, there's even a mute mode. One standout feature is the inclusion of 4 rechargeable batteries, ensuring uninterrupted play. The robots are easy to operate and feature 360-degree movement, which allows players to attack from any angle. The ejecting chest plate adds an extra layer of excitement, as players aim to launch their opponent's pilot into the air to claim victory. It's designed for both solo and interactive multiplayer modes, making it versatile for different gaming scenarios. Priced at $32.39, it offers good value for the features provided. The build quality is decent, but slightly heavier than others on this list, weighing over 3 pounds. Some users have reported minor connectivity issues during setup, though these are easily resolved. Overall, it's a fun and dynamic option for kids aged 6 and up. Pros include immersive light and sound effects and rechargeable batteries, while cons are its slightly bulky design and occasional signal issues. At number 3, we have the iPlay iLearn electronic boxing toys. This is an interactive toy that combines motion sensors with remote controls to create a truly engaging experience. What's unique about this set is its versatility. It offers both single-player mode against an AI machine and 2-player mode for head-to-head battles. The single-player mode features 5 difficulty levels, allowing players to hone their skills and level up their challenges. The design is compact and lightweight, with easy assembly that makes it perfect for tabletop or floor play. The motion sensor technology is impressive, letting players control the robots by waving their hands or fists. While the plastic build is durable enough for regular use, it may not withstand overly rough handling. Another perk is its portability. This set is great for travel, indoor parties, or even office breaks. Priced at $28.89, it's slightly cheaper than some of the other options and offers great value for its feature set. However, it does require 4 AA batteries, which are not included, and the motion sensors might feel less responsive in brightly lit environments. Pros include its interactive gameplay and multi-mode options, while cons are the battery dependency and occasional lighting issues impacting sensor performance. In second place, we have the Sharper Image Robot Combat Set, 2023 Amazon exclusive. This set brings thrilling robot wars to life with advanced wireless infrared technology. The precision movement and striking capabilities allow players to deliver combination punches and execute strategy-based attacks. The engaging sound effects and LED facial expressions add a layer of excitement that keeps players fully immersed in the action. One of its strongest features is the dual mode. Players can compete head-to-head or challenge the AI computer in single-player mode. The robots are lightweight but sturdy, ensuring long-lasting durability. The responsive infrared controls offer smooth wireless commands, providing a seamless gaming experience. However, the relatively small size of the robots might make them less impressive for older kids or adults. At $29.82. This is a solid choice for families looking for a feature-rich but affordable boxing robot set. While it doesn't include rechargeable batteries, the performance and immersion it offers make up for this limitation. Pros include fluid movement, sound and light effects, and dual gameplay modes. Cons are the lack of rechargeable batteries and slightly smaller robots compared to others on this list. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Thames Kosmos Hydraulic Boxing Bot STEM Experiment Kit. This is not just a toy. It's an educational experience that introduces kids to the principles of hydraulic systems and engineering. You'll build 2 boxing robots from scratch, learning how gears, cylinders, and pistons work together to create fluid, realistic movements. The upper and lower body segments move independently, allowing the bots to jab, punch, and dodge with remarkable accuracy. The set includes 2 robots and a scoreboard, making it perfect for competitive play. The hands-on building process is engaging and rewarding for kids and adults alike, offering valuable lessons in physics and design. The materials are high quality and durable, ensuring that the robots can handle intense battles without breaking down. However, it's worth noting that this kit is more suited for older children, as the assembly can be challenging for younger ones. Priced at $44.27, this is the premium option on our list, but the combination of entertainment and education makes it worth every penny. If you're looking for a STEM-oriented toy that blends fun with learning, this is the perfect choice. Pros include educational value, durable build, and realistic movements, while cons are the higher price point and complex assembly process for younger kids. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.